Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. First, you have to open your browser and search ElevenLabs.io in the search bar. Open the ElevenLabs website. It is a software company that specializes in developing natural sound synthesis and text-to-speech software. Go to the Products option in the menu bar and select Voice Cloning from the drop-down menu. You can create an AI voice clone from just a few minutes of audio. By scrolling down, you will see a wall of cloned voices. You can select any option, but you have to click on Sign Up for your account first. You can sign up using a Google account or by adding your credentials. After signing up, click on the plus icon to generate or clone voice. Click on any type of voice you want to create. For demonstrative purposes, I choose instant voice cloning. You have to subscribe to give plans starting with $0 and review all the plans and packages. Go back and select the voice design option. Add details about the voice you want to create, like gender, age, and accent. Enter your text to generate the voice. Click on Generate and then Add Voice. Give a name to your voice and description and click on Generate Voice. You can edit and save this audio to use it later. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.